G'day, this is Jason here from Forex Trading Watchdog, and today is May 23rd, 2020, and we're looking at some more divergence, huh? Okay, here we go. So we're looking at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, of course. You don't want to trade any lower. You can if you want, but you might get chopped up like an onion. All right, okay, let's do this. Right on, rock and roll. We have divergence, okay? It's a long divergence, but it's still divergence on the pound. Right from here, boom, all the way down to here. Now, look, it looks very long, right? But it's not. If you squish up the chart, you can see it's smaller, right? And we got the sucker down here. Boom. We could even draw it to here. We don't have to draw it to there. We can draw it right to there. Okay. Yeah, let's just do this. Okay, because then it's more how would you say, technically divergent in a more accurate way. Okay, because we do not really want to go past the rule of negative, positive, negative. And if we put it over here, there would be another positive in the sauce. We don't need that in the sauce. So this is where it gave our signal to buy, but as you can see, we didn't buy there because it was still going down. And something, two somethings told us not to get in the trade. So anyway, then we got in the trade over here. Stop would have been 100, it went up 100. Would have hit your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on the pound. Your second order, if playing two orders, would have got stopped out with 5 pips. Okay, let's take a look at the euro now. The euro is tricky. Basically, we had what you call a double bottom right there. Okay, or a lower low, but I call it a double bottom, and it's just screaming at you right from here to here. When you always see a tiny little, lower high, as opposed to, other ones like this one here, see it's much bigger, but look at this one here, okay? It's screaming at you, buy! Buy now! So, if you bought right on the opening of this candle, your stop would have been 55 pips, and you definitely got your 55 pips. Then you would have got stopped out in your second half of the order. Then, however, there is divergence again, if you want to call it a triple bottom like this. Okay, but this will defy our negative or negative, positive, negative rule. But still, you could draw it here as it is, and it's divergence again. You would have got long right there. Your stop would have been 64 pips. And it went up about 170 pips. You would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on the euro. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar now, Australian dollar. We had low and lower lows, and right here, boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Let's make it bigger. You would have got long right in here or here, whichever one made you feel more confident it was going to go up. So we'll just take it from here. Your stop was 72 pips. And it went up 140. So you would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that one as well. And then let's take a look at the US dollar yen. So, right here on the yen, we got basically a double bottom, triple bottom, whatever you want to call it. Okay, it's close enough. Took this to here. Boom. Okay. You would have got in right here. Your stop would have been 50 pips. And it went up 81 pips. So you definitely would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And you would have got your, would have just missed your 5 pips that you locked in. You're still in it. So, that's pretty much it for the video today. Like always, pips and points to be made. Now on the gold, okay, there was no divergence. I can show it to you. It's not that I'm trying to hide it from you. I'll show you right here. We have a high and a higher high, but no lower high in the indicator. And we have, well, actually, we do have a trade. It was a loser. Oh, no, Jason wasn't trying to hide the loser. I just didn't want to look at it because it was just a stupid mess this week. But no, there's a trade. There's a trade. Bet I could even draw it to there too. Yes. And from this low to here or here, it's divergent. It certainly is. So you would have got long right there. Your stop would have been 181, and it only went up 105. So it did not even hit your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. It would have came back down and went boom, and or I mean down here. Your stop was here. It would have came down and hit your stop. But I myself, I would have gotten long. I would have got out of it long before it came down here and hit my stop. I would have got out of it somewhere in here. So anyway, that was gold. Nothing impressive in gold. Oh, I gotta show you oil. Gotta look at some oil. All right, now down from Texas. Here we go. Okay, and it was right here, like that, or even a little bit more, even to there. Okay. And on here, it was like boom, boom. You can see it, it's screaming at you. So right in here or here somewhere, you would have got long, okay? This is from last week, okay? And went up $8.79. That's 879 pips. Nice trade on that one, let me tell you. And before that, in here, there's no freaking trade. There's no divergence in here whatsoever. This is just a mess from the, the plan demic. Our last divergence was over here, a high and a higher high. I showed this trade to you. And like, if you did, if somebody did this trade, wow. 2,000 pips, man. Went down $20. It went down from 27 to 7. Incredible move. So anyway, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if you want to learn how to trade divergence, go on my blog, forextradingwatchdog.com, and I'll teach you how. Thanks for listening. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy here from Forex Trading Watchdog.